How to turn off auto enhance on iPhone photos. Let's get started. Launch your settings. Now scroll down. Find the app camera. Once you find it, open it. Different options will appear. Head over to the option of Smart SDR. Disable for that option. After you do that, now click on the option of Record Video. Check in for the option of 1080p SD at 60 fps. After you do that, you'll be good to go. Now head back. Likewise, you can customize other settings as well. Click on the option of Preserve Settings and you can customize these settings. Head back. If you have upgraded to iOS 18, you'll find the option of photographic styles in this page. Click on that. Then you can enable for that option. Likewise, you'll also find the option of Enhanced Stabilization in this page. Enable for that option. Customizing these settings, you'll be good to go. So this way you can easily turn off auto enhance on iPhone photos. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.